So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Okay, Hierophant, you just better come up, lay up next to the High Priestess. So, you see what I'm saying? Didn't I tell y'all are tired of me talking about this person, but y'all can't lie to y'all. I'm always going to shoot straight. This is twin flame, I'm sorry. Soulmates, yeah, y'all can resonate too. This is a twin flame connection. I know. Y'all know. I already know. My moon is in Aquarius. Believe me, I know. So, but I can't make that up. Y'all saw how he shot out? So, anyway, he wants to balance things out with you. This is definitely a twin flame reading already. Okay. For some of you, maybe this person was in a commitment with someone else. They were committed to something else. I mean, regardless, maybe for some of you, they could have been married. But I'm seeing that they don't want you to walk away. They don't want you to walk away from them. Y'all have already walked. You know, see, didn't I tell you I already walked? This person feels like when they come back to give you an offer, you're not taking it. This person feels they messed up bad. See? Their intuition is telling them, hey, look, you left him or her out in the cold. No, But it's like they want to come back and fix this. But they keep thinking about what they did. Yeah, see, some of y'all, they left you out in the cold for a family situation. Are some of y'all dealing with Leos? Because I could have sworn I just said that line. Maybe for some of y'all are dealing with a Leo. Because I just did Leos first. Or maybe someone has Leo in their chart. But, yeah, they made a decision. Because I feel like this person definitely wants to have a family with you. And see, whatever decision that they made, it's like they're no longer overthinking this. They know what they have to do. Yeah, you're going to get an apology. Somebody's coming back to apologize to you. Yep, see, Six of Swords tried to jump out. This person definitely wants to turn things around with you. See, they're coming to speak their truth. For some of you, maybe they did have to get out of some type of legal situation first. Yeah, look at that communication, y'all. You guys are receiving some type of communication. If you haven't already, get ready. They're going to reach out. Oh, but I blocked him or her. Oh, okay. You want a smoke signal? You want an email? You want a drive-by? What is it that you want? Because the communication's coming in. I don't care what you say. There's the moon. I'm skipping over signs, messing with y'all. Okay, so look, let's back up. Some of you could have been dealing with a Taurus. I have a Libra. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces. But I feel like, again, this person, they're listening to... Look, didn't I just say somebody could have been dealing with a... Somebody's dealing with a Leo, too. This person, they're listening to their intuition. They're going to have the strength to come towards you. But the thing is, they're afraid. I'm not going to lie. They're afraid of rejection. See, Nine of Swords just tried to jump out. This person, they can't sleep. They're scared to death, okay? Y'all been cussing this person out on the low. Y'all been doing it in 5D. Y'all been walking past them, not talking to them. What y'all doing? I see, look. Oh, my gosh. This person, they're making plans to come and see you, Aquarius, or they're making plans to reach out to you, but there's some fear in doing it. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the devil, please. Yep, but they're going to make a decision. Okay. But they're afraid. See 11-11 right here? They're afraid you don't want to be with them anymore, you know, and they're afraid things may not improve between the two of you because this person repeatedly stabbed you in the back, and they do want to heal things with you. They want to make it right, but I feel like for some of you guys, maybe this person is like, okay, I've already messed up so bad in the past, and now I want to come back towards him or her, but I don't have anything to offer. You know, maybe this person is like, I need to throw myself into my career. I need to get my money together because maybe there's something going on with them financially speaking. When they're like, okay, I have to get that together because I have to come back with something. So let's see. Yeah, they're worried. I told you, there's some fear here. This is why they're not taking any action. See? They're moving slow. This person is moving really slow. They're not talking. So, okay, whoever this is, you guys aren't speaking. They haven't reached out to you just yet. Yeah, they're afraid that you don't want to build with them anymore because they were being stubborn, obnoxious, rude. You know, they said some stuff to you, okay? Could have been dealing with an Aries. Let's see. Back and forth with the Six of Cups. Yeah, see, I told you. This is like some type of, they could have been dealing with like some type of family situation, whether it's like their, you know, family, like mom, dad, sister, brother, whoever. It could have been like a love interest. But for a lot of you, they're really thinking about what took place in the past. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. And see, I told you they want to heal things with you, but in order for that to happen, they're going to have to put an end to their behavior. They're going to have to put an end to people who basically, they weren't good for them. See, and they want to balance some hesitation, but the thing is, they're wanting to come back and offer you stability. They're wanting to come back to, you know, give you something that, shut up, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm pausing because this is getting interesting. I'll put this down for a second. Hold on. This is getting interesting. They want to come back and offer you something. The reason why I had to pause is because I have the King and the Queen of Swords. See what I'm saying? That's why I was like, I'm telling y'all, I feel like hands down, this is definitely a twin flame reading. It could be a soulmate. I feel twin. But regardless, this person doesn't want you to cut them off, but they're afraid you're done. I feel like you already cut them off. They feel it in the energy. They already know. You probably verbally said it to them, okay? Very loud and clear. But they still want to come back and give you the offer that you deserve. But the thing is, they're frustrated right now. I'm telling you, something's going on with their money. Something is definitely going on with their money, you know, and this is why they're afraid things aren't going to improve. Yeah, they had you waiting around. Tell me more. See, 10 of Pentacles, I told you. This person cares about you and they love you, but there's somebody holding on to them, whether it's a love interest, family, friend. There's somebody holding on to them, and that's the problem. Ooh, oh, Aquarius, do you see this? Oh, let me tell you something. First of all, the fact that I have 2 10s and these are really good, I just want to say that whatever situation that they're going in on their end, I feel like they're going to have a good outcome. So they're going to get out of it. I told you this person's worried about money. Maybe they've been helping someone that they have to give to someone. It's going to be a good outcome that comes out of that. They're going to get something together. But when it comes to the two of you, this person wants to move forward with you. They're done playing games. The cycle is over with. They're moving forward. They want this new beginning with you. But see, they're back and forth with Temperance. I told this, somebody could be dealing with the Sagittarius. They want to balance things out, but they're afraid that, you know, in the past, because of what they did, I don't know. So they're going to make a decision. There's a Tower. They're realizing some things. Clarify. They're not happy. This person's going through some type of Tower moment. Clarify. Why is the 3 of Cups here? Yeah, I'm picking. Okay. So, for some of you guys, this person's definitely going through some type of Tower moment with the third party person. So maybe for some of you, they found out that this person that they chose over you or they were dealing with, they cheated on them. You know, they found out there was some type of third party situation on their end, and that's what had their world crumbling down because they put so much into this other person. Now they got the short end of the stick and they're like, damn, like I messed up. For some of you, yeah, this person could have a family with this person, and maybe they're finding out the truth for some of you that I feel like the child may not be theirs. Like, for some of you, they could have had to get a DNA test. They went to court, and they're finding out the truth. They're not happy about it. I'm picking up different scenarios, so I'm just going to throw out the main ones that I'm really picking up on. But others of you, I do feel like they're listening to their intuition, and they're being pushed to reach out to you. They want to ask you out, you know, and I feel like they're wanting to come back in quickly. But the problem is, because they played you in the past, they're afraid of what you're going to say, and this is why they're stuck, trying to make a decision, see? Because they feel like you're going to let them go. See? They got to work really hard, you know, to clear away other obstacles. See, I have 2 7s here, so there was a situation, I feel like they were holding on to whatever situation that they were in, but they know that they were being sneaky in the past, and this is the problem. See, they're going to have to move fast. Everything is jumping on this Tower. I'm telling you, it's like endings to have new beginnings. They're realizing certain things. See, they got to free themselves. That's the decision. I told you. This person is single. They will be freeing themselves because, look, they want to have a new beginning, and that new beginning is with you. But the thing is, this person knows that they hurt you. They feel like when they do reach out, you're not going to say anything to them. They know you're tired of talking. Oh, the King of Cups tried to come out reverse. It's like y'all energy is matching. I told y'all, this is soulmate twin. See, they don't even know what to do. They don't know how to even fix this. But you're still going to get that offer. You're going to get that offer. They're coming in. They're going to offer something because, look, they want to have a victory with you, okay? They want to turn things around. You just better leap out like that. See, and the thing is, they're coming out of being frustrated. Because at one point, they thought you were done. You know, they lost you for good. Because they broke your heart, but they want to fix it. See, 11. I told y'all, this person, they know who you are to them, okay? The thing is, they're just dragging their feet. Because maybe for some of them, they're feeling stuck in some type of home, family, living situation. It's something like that. But regardless, they're not confused. They're coming to you, Aquarius. They're going to come. See, they want that new beginning. I told y'all. But they feel like you're not going to take that offer, though. Okay. So, this person is coming out of regret. And you see the king and the queen of what? Girl, this is twin flame. This is a twin flame reading. They look at you as someone who is definitely positive to see, oh, you're a blessing to them. And that's why they can't sleep. Y'all are picking up on them, too. They're sad. This person, they need to speak up. They have a hard time communicating. And see, the way the Page of Wands came out, it's like the seeds they planted with you, they want them to grow, but they're afraid it's not going to happen because they put themselves into a codependent situation. They had codependent, toxic behaviors. And you're like, no, I'm not dealing with that anymore. See? And right now, they're isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. They're back and forth. With the King of Pentacles. Okay, so it's like they're wanting to give you this offer, and it's the love offer, but at the same time, they're having a hard time. You know, they're definitely having a hard time. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. They're wanting to move forward and not look back at what took place. In order for those seeds to grow, they're going to have to put in some serious work. This is not going to be easy to win you back, okay? It's not going to be able, they're not going to be able to win you back. Just like, they can't just come in like they used to, tell you all this stuff, wine and dine. Oh, no, honey. Nope. You have for them top 20 cards. Okay, so I'm seeing that things are improving for you. This could even be financially speaking. Ooh, okay, hold on. Okay, y'all look. I'm saying that things will improve for you, right? Some of you guys, you want justice. This person broke your heart, and you're like, oh no, you're going to have to suffer, okay? You're going to have to pay for what you did, and at the end of the day, I'm not really worried about you, but I'm worried, if that makes sense. You know, it's like some of you guys just want the truth, but you want to... Y'all y'all so spiteful. Y'all get out that energy, okay? I'm gonna just leave it there. Anyway, you guys are looking at them like, you know what? I don't even want anything with you. You know, you're the reason why we can never get this together. I've tried. I'm done trying. You know, it's like this is your tower moment. You're realizing this person is not doing. They weren't doing what they need to do in order to make you happy. You're over it. See, but it's like some of you guys are going back and forth with a decision because I'm seeing Ace of Swords. This is communication coming in. So I told you this person will be reaching out to you eventually. But when they do, Spirit is saying you're going to have to speak up. And I feel like you're going to cut this person off. You're going to be very blunt, direct. You're like, nope, I'm good. You're tired of them being really wishy-washy with you, running in and out. You're over it, see? And you're not losing sleep. You're like, okay, suffer. You're going to have to suffer because I'm done. But the thing is, you got to make a decision, Aquarius. You have to make a decision. Clarify? Okay, you're going to make a decision. Okay, that was quick. Your decision is you don't see yourself having a victory with this person. Ooh, and you're manifesting someone new. You're like, no, I'm good. Nope. I feel like Spirit is saying they want you to stay positive, but you're like, I don't see myself marrying this person, being in a commitment with this person, holding hands with this person, and you're going to speak your truth. You're telling them this directly to their face over the phone. You're like, no, I'm good. But the thing is, that's why they're saying you got to make a decision. Some of you guys are still upset. It's like you're trying not to be upset. You're trying to move on. Some of you could be out there dating, talking to new people. But there's something within you. It's like you're still holding on to that pain, that hurt. You know, it's still some type of regret here. See, And it's like your guard is up, but at the end of the day, you're really undecided about what to do. But ooh, Spirit is saying, you telling this person kick rocks. I'm gone. That's it. I'm done. See, look at this. You guys are moving in a new direction. Well, that was straight to the point. Yeah, Aquarius, this is... I can't wait till y'all hear from this person. This is going to be good. Because, yeah, I feel like they can say whatever. You're going to shut them down. But I don't think that's going to be the end of this story. They're going to come back. They're coming back. Aquarius, leave me some comments, please. Let me know. But, yeah, y'all are done. You're done.